Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the most easiest, fudgiest brownie recipe ever. There is no need for a long intro. The picture alone can tell you how fudgy these are. So be sure you stick around to see how it's done. Subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's make it. Okay, be sure to check the description box below for the measurement. We're going to start with melted butter. Next, I'll be adding my brown sugar in there, and then I'll be adding my regular sugar in there with some salt. Now we're going to mix that nicely. Once it's nice and well combined, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Now it's time to add my egg. Make sure your eggs are nicely room temperature. I will be using 5 small eggs. If you have the large one, just use 4. I am going to add that in there with pure vanilla extract, and we're going to give it a really good stir. When I tell you you need to stir this, I stir it for about 5 minutes. Yeah, your arms, they're going to be hurt. So start stirring it until it's nice and give you a very kind of like a light, like this color. The color basically will change. That's how you will know it's well mixed. Okay, I stir it for about 5 minutes. Once you're done mixing it, the color will change. Now I am going to add my all-purpose flour with my cocoa powder already sifted. Now get rid of your whisk, use a spatula. We're going to fold in the flour and the cocoa powder. Just fold it in. Try not to stir it too much because you don't want to waste all the good air we just put into the egg. So just fold it in just like so we can keep the air in, because that's what's gonna make the brownies nice and fluffy, kind of fluffy. Because this recipe, obviously we don't use any baking soda or baking powder to make the brownie rise. It's just the egg that's gonna do the work. You see how the bubbles are? That's what's gonna make the brownie nice and fudgy. It'll give you that like a cake texture, but not really. All right, once you're done with that, we're going to add some dark chocolate, really dark chocolate. Just add that in there, or you can use Hershey's if you want, but I am going to add that in there. Mix it all together until everything is well combined, and do not over mix it. Okay, now for my baking dish, I'm using an 8x8. Because I'm using an 8x8, I am going to bake mine longer. If you're using, I don't know, just Google it, but mine, the size I'm using is 8x8. We're going to add all of it in there, and then we're going to bake it on 350 for 45 minutes. Yes, mine, I baked it for 45 minutes because my baking dish was a little smaller and the batter was a lot, so I wanted it to cook through. So this is it right here. We're going to bake it. Once you're done, this is how it looks. Yes, honey, give it a little slap just like I did to get rid of the air bubbles, and we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes, which I didn't because I was in a rush. I didn't really let it sit for too long, and yeah, that's how it looks, guys. You see how it looks so nice on top with the, what do you call it, the flakes. Ugh. This is so addictive, you guys. If you start eating these brownies, you will never stop. Like I said, I didn't really let mine sit for too long, so it was still kind of like ooey gooey, very ooey gooey basically. So I was having a little trouble cutting it. So this is it, you guys. Once it is done, oh my goodness, they're so good. I cannot stop eating these. I'm sorry. And if you know me, you know I don't like sweet like that, but these, oh my goodness, so good. Let me know down below if you guys going to try this recipe. If you have any question, leave them down below. If you have any suggestion, leave them down below, because I love to learn from other cooks. So leave them down below for me, guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also go subscribe to my vlog channel. The link will be down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.